A business bank account is just one of those things you need if you have an Etsy shop or any small business. It's one of those background administrative things that you might not know how to get set up. In this video, I'm going to tell you about my business banking journey and how it led me to Relay, which I think is one of the best banks for Etsy sellers or anyone with a small business, even if you think of it as your side hustle. If you've been putting off getting your business bank account because you're scared and you just don't know which one to choose, then don't worry, I got you. Hey you, my name is Shawn Shalise, and if you've seen any of my videos, you know that I have multiple Etsy shops and a Shopify store. I love being a small business owner, and I also love helping other people start their small businesses. It's a running joke that if you hang around me long enough, you're going to end up with an Etsy shop, a YouTube channel, or some type of business. As a business owner, I've always felt that if you're going to have a business, you need to run it like a business, and that means you got to have a business bank account. My first business bank account was with Chase, and Chase and I were doing pretty good, but I started to feel like I needed more organization with my cash flow. I have money coming in from different selling channels with my apparel, and I have the blog and YouTube. I have money coming in and going out at different rates for these different parts of my businesses, and I started to feel like I didn't have things organized in the most efficient way. Relay reached out to me and asked if they could give me a demo, and I am so happy they did. They offer no-fee online banking and money management. They're specifically designed to help small businesses see what they're earning, spending, and saving. I'd like to give a special thanks to Relay for sponsoring this video. Relay offers business bank accounts for businesses that want to integrate their banking and cash management services. Their banking services are provided by Evolve Bank and Trust. Relay stands out because they give you up to 20 no-fee bank accounts and up to 50 virtual or physical debit cards. There are no account minimums, overdraft fees, monthly fees, or account opening fees. Relay offers two types of accounts, the Relay Standard account and their Pro account. The Relay Standard account is free. It gives you their core features and helps you streamline your financial management. You get up to 20 no-fee checking accounts, up to 50 virtual or physical debit cards. You can make ACH payments by wire or check. You can invite team members to Relay, automate spending limits for those team members. You have direct bank fees into Xero and QuickBooks Online, and you can bank from the web, iOS, or Android. The Relay Pro account is $30 per month per business, and you get everything in the standard account plus extra features that will help you manage your business as you grow. You can automatically import bills from QuickBooks Online or Xero. View, approve, and pay all bills from one dashboard. You can set up automatic multi-stage approval workflows for your bills. You can pay bills in batches. You get free domestic and international wires. You also get free same-day ACH transfers. And just like with the standard account, you have integration with QuickBooks and Xero. If you want to open an account with Relay, you need a government-issued photo ID, a social security number, a personal address and phone number, a business address and phone number, and your email address. You'll also need to upload certain business documents with your application. Why Relay? I've given you their specs, but now let's go a little deeper. Let's look at some of the features that I personally like to use and why I think they're great for Etsy sellers or any small business. And most of these features are available in Relay's standard account, which is free. Relay's business bank accounts don't have any monthly fees, overdraft fees, or minimum balance requirements. This means that you can get started with Relay without having a huge amount of startup money or cash flow. You won't get charged with fees that will have your business losing money before you even start making money. With Etsy, you need to connect a bank account when you're initially setting up your account. I think it is a big relief to use a no-fee business bank account when you're trying to get things figured out and setting up your account. Everything you need to do with your Relay account is right at your fingertips. They're an online bank that allows you to configure everything you want to set up on your own, but they still give you the support you need if you need help. You can open accounts, issue cards, and send and receive payments online. You can do this with your desktop or your laptop, or you can use the Relay mobile app on your phone. Relay has a customer support team that's available via email or chat when you need help. With Relay, you can create up to 20 individual checking accounts to organize income, expenses, and cash reserves. Here I'm showing Relay's demo account, and you can see that they have accounts set up for taxes, profit, owner's pay, operating expenses, and more. In my Relay account, I have separate accounts for taxes, cost of goods sold, and separate accounts for my different Etsy shops. If you're just getting started or you have a small side hustle, you might not need all of these different separate accounts, but at a minimum, you could have a separate account to put aside money for your taxes. Creating a new account is as easy as clicking on Add Account and giving your new account a name. You can also select what team members have access to the account. We'll talk more about team members later because it's another one of my favorite Relay features. I use QuickBooks, and Relay makes integrating with QuickBooks and actually recognizing your transactions super easy. They give you detailed transaction data that makes it easy for you to categorize your transactions and keep your bookkeeping up to date. This is by far not one of my favorite tasks, but the easier it is, the better. You'll be able to more precisely keep track of and understand your cash flow. Relay's features for teams is what really sold me. I have close friends and family that work for me as contractors, and I need them to be able to order stock and go pick up supplies. It was a super big hassle to have to give them my business debit card or pay them back after they used their personal money to pick up vinyl or shirts. With Relay, I was able to give them their own debit cards and set spending limits. Relay allows you to issue MasterCard debit cards with spending limits to your team members. You'll receive detailed data for all team member spending so you know exactly what's going on with your money. Team members can also get role-based access to Relay so they can manage their tasks that you have allowed them to manage. For me, this means that I am no longer the roadblock for getting things purchased, and I don't have to worry about them doing anything in my bank account that I haven't authorized them to do. Just like creating new accounts, creating new debit cards is super easy. Give your card a nickname and select whether you want a physical or a virtual card. Virtual cards can be used for online purchases and with things like Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, or Google Pay. You select the source of the card. You'll then decide if you want a company name on the card or the team member's name on the card. You set the spending limit and if you want to allow foreign transactions, and then you're done. If you choose a virtual card, you can use that card immediately, and physical cards are mailed to you within 8 to 10 business days. Relay speeds up bookkeeping by syncing detailed business banking data directly into QuickBooks Online or Xero. If you have an accountant or bookkeeper, you can give them their own account so they can manage money, pay bills, or access banking data or documents like monthly statements. Those are all of my favorite features, but I don't want to leave out Relay's payment features. I'm not currently using these features, but they might be helpful to you and your business. From one dashboard, you can view unpaid bills, payments that need approval, those ready for payment, in progress, and bills that have been paid. You can easily tell the difference between ACH payments and wire transfers and the team member that initiated them. And with the Relay Pro account, you can set up an automated multi-stage approval workflow for bills. So let's sum things up. Relay allows you to manage your business finances from a user-friendly online website or mobile app. They offer no-fee banking and they're designed to support small businesses. If you're ready to move forward, you can use the link that I provided in the description to get started setting up your business bank account with Relay. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments or you can shoot me an email. Now that I got you set up with a business bank account, click on the link right here to make sure your business is legal.